In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your blocked list here on Roblox so that you can manage or unblock users extremely easily. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Roblox app on your PC, or just go to roblox.com and log into your account. And once you are signed in, you just need to click this gear icon up in the top right corner and then select settings from within here. After that, look on the side menu and you're going to want to select privacy and content restrictions. And then in this page, you're going to see a blocked users tab. Go ahead and select this. Now, this page is going to show you every single user that you've blocked on Roblox. To unblock someone, just click unblock next to your name and confirm your choice. And that is it. You now have learned how to view and manage your blocked users here on Roblox. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.